Okay, so you've been having vertigo and you went to someone and they wound up saying they adjusted the top bone in your spine, but you're still having problems and you don't know what to do. I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center, and today I'm going to go through and answer that question for you and maybe give you some advice on what to do next. If you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We're constantly creating content like this to help you and your family live a life of optimal health and well-being. Now back to the question. So there are many people who focus on taking care of the spine and focus in taking care of the very top bone in your spine, called the upper cervical area, or C1. And adjusting it can be massively powerful because the brainstem is really close to there and it can have outstanding results. However, for some, that doesn't wind up solving the problem, and it leaves them in a lower state of constant sort of off-balanceness and dizziness. Now, if this is you, you may be kind of frustrated because you got things balanced out at the top, which is awesome and important. But what I've got to say, and I'm going to show you on the model, if this is a normal spine right here, okay, the top bone is way up here. And it's super important because it says how your skull's going to sit on your spine, as well as how the start of information getting to the rest of your body is going to go. However, there is also a lot down below that can wind up becoming stressed and strained that impact the balance centers of your brain. So if your spine doesn't look ideal and normal like this below it, the problem can be below C1. So we need to be sure that we're checking the different positions of your spine and posture that it could be, so that we know what you need to do to help you get back to ideal and normal. Just addressing the top bone in your spine will not solve all the problems. It's a really good start, it's a powerful tool, but we got to make sure we're looking at the whole picture. If you've taken those steps and you're still having challenges, go ahead and write down below. I'll do my best to answer them and get you the help that you need. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.